What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's gonna be a great week. We got Dom here, the Dominator, Dom the Mind, Domination, DB. He's here, and this week we're gonna do landscaping, bond beam inspections,
coping,
concrete, turf around the pool, and it's opening day for pool season. It's gonna be opened up on Friday. Let's go. All right, Tim, you know what today is?
bond beam day.
It's bond beam day.
Hey boss, what's a bond beam?
Great question, Dom. A bond beam is pretty much our structural integrity that's gonna lock in our pool. It's gonna hold the weight of our auto cover. It's gonna hold everything in. It's also gonna function as the bottom of our pool coping. So we'll adhere our pool coping to the bond beam around the pool, around the auto cover. So now we're gonna hook up our rebar, tie our rebar in. We're gonna hook in a rebar to the pool. We drilled some holes every 4 or 5 feet. I don't know, probably 3 or 4. 2, 3, what would you say?
About 4.
Yeah, then we'll get that inspected tomorrow. Get our bonding wire wrapped around. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Dom, you ready for the day?
Always ready for the day.
He's ready for the day, always ready. Let's go. All right, so we just finished laying concrete, AKA pain and
Suffering.
see that he already knows. Dom knows. Dom did concrete. He knows pain and suffering. So we used the mud mixer, went around probably 3/4 of the way, and then it broke. Tim broke it, and then Tim had to hand mix 15 bags. It was a lot of pain. It's pain in the butt. But we got it all in. It's already hard as a rock. And tomorrow we're gonna lay coping. What else are we gonna do? Don, what we gonna do?
Set for turf.
Look at this new guy. He knows his deal. Tim, take it away.
Dom,
He said Tim, buddy.
Let's go.
let's go. So right now, the rock's a little bit high through here, so we're low over in this corner. We're gonna shovel out part of this, and then we'll dump it over there, get it level, so that way we can bring in our chip stone, and we're gonna lay some edgers, get those put in, and we'll bring in turf afterwards. So. So right now we're staking in our turf here. What we do is we'll kind of like fold back the turf a little bit so you can find the base. You don't want to like spike anything down in there when you hit it. So we found our base, hold that grass back, and then you just take a hammer, drive that in. And this is holding the turf down so that way it doesn't move anywhere. You don't want to go too far because that'll pinch the turf and it'll create divots. So once you got that in just right, kind of brush that over and it hides it really well. So. Alright, so we just finished drilling out the core of these pavers here so we can install our lighting. We got 16 of these bad boys. Gonna pop that light in there, pull the wire out the bottom, and then you run that underneath the pavers. Got 16 and we'll all be on the same wire.
That's right.
It's gonna look really good, I think, when we're done. Let's get to it. Okay, so right now we're picking up these pavers here so we can run the wire underneath of them for our lighting. Looking for the most direct route between each light. That way you have as little wire as possible. Keeps the voltage from having to travel further. Keeps the lights brighter. Just makes it look really good.
Boys, how do you raise a dinosaur?
I don't know.
Probably a crane. All right, boys, it was a great 2 weeks. We got 2 weeks packed in one video. How ironic that we're wearing the same shirts as
Crazy.
last Monday. Crazy, still wearing the same flamingo shirt.
Yep.
Watchdog Trailers, you know, he's wearing the boss's shirt. We got a lot done this week. We got most of everything done. We've got about a week left. We got some cleanup. We've got details, but we got a lot of good stuff done this week. We got Dom. Anyways, Dom said a dirty word. Reagan's gonna bleed that out. Dom learned turf. He learned a lot of things. Coping, he's learned to cut pavers, set boulders, glue the seams. Dom, without cussing, what else you learned?
Some put lighting in.
He put some lighting in. He
Yep,
drilled all the
some
holes,
lighting
put the
in.
lights in. Tim, what else? We gotta wrap this up quick.
I dominated with Dom.
Plumbing.
Have a good week. That's a nice boulder.